Oh my, this bag is much heavier than I expected.
Excuse me, do you need some help with that bag?
That is very kind of you to ask.
It looks like it is full of heavy stones or bricks.
No, it is actually full of many new books.
Books can be surprisingly heavy when you have a lot.
I bought them at the big book fair today.
I can carry it up these stairs for you if you like.
Are you sure? It is really quite a lot of weight.
I am quite strong, so it is not a problem for me.
Thank you so much. My arms are very tired now.
Wow, you were right about the weight.
I think I bought 10 thick dictionaries and some novels.
10 dictionaries? Are you a student or a teacher?
I am an English teacher, so I love words and books.
That explains why you have so much heavy paper here.
I want to give some of these books to my students.
That is a very generous thing to do for them.
I believe that books can change a person's life.
I agree, though they are difficult to move around.
Where are you going this evening, if I may ask?
I'm going to the main hall to catch my train.
My platform is also near the main hall area.
Then we're going in the same direction right now.
I am lucky that I met you at this moment.
I am happy to help a teacher with her books.
Let's walk slowly so you don't get too tired.
Don't worry about me. I go to the gym every day.
Well, today this bag is your gym and your workout.
This is much better than lifting cold metal weights.
Is the train station always this busy on a Friday?
Yes, many people are traveling home for the weekend.
I am also looking forward to a quiet weekend at home.
Will you spend your weekend reading all these new books?
I will probably read 2 or 3 of them with tea.
That sounds like a very relaxing plan for a Saturday.
What about you? Do you have any plans for the weekend?
I am going to visit my parents in the countryside.
The countryside must be very beautiful and quiet right now.
Yes, I love the fresh air and the green fields there.
Be careful. Don't let the bag hit the people passing by.
I am holding it very close to my side, don't worry.
I should have used a suitcase with wheels today.
A suitcase would be much easier on your shoulders.
I will remember that for the next book fair.
Is the fair open tomorrow as well, or is it over?
Tomorrow is the last day, and they have a big sale.
Maybe I will go there to find some technical books.
You should go. They have books on every possible subject.
I am interested in architecture and modern building design.
I saw a whole section dedicated to architecture today.
That sounds perfect. I will try to go tomorrow morning.
Just remember to bring a bag with wheels.
Yes, I will definitely take your good advice.
We are almost at the top of the stairs now.
The view of the station from here is quite nice.
I love the old clock and the glass roof.
It is one of the oldest buildings in our city.
Thank you for talking to me. It makes the walk faster.
It is my pleasure to have such a nice conversation.
Ready? On the count of 3, I will lift it.
1, 2, 3. You make it look so easy.
It is heavy, but I have a good grip on the handle.
I was struggling for 10 minutes before you arrived.
You should not carry such heavy things alone, Emma.
I know, but the book fair was so exciting, I forgot about the weight.
Sometimes our passion is heavier than we think.
That is a very poetic way to describe my situation.
I am just glad I was walking by at the right time.
Are you sure your arm is okay? The bag is very bulky.
My arm is fine, but we should start moving towards the hall.
The stairs are right ahead of us. Are you ready for the climb?
I am ready. Just stay close to me in the crowd.
I will follow you like a small boat following a big ship.
That is a funny image. Let's go up now.
Watch your step. The stairs are a bit slippery today.
I have good boots, so I have plenty of balance.
We're halfway up already. You are very fast.
I want to make sure you don't miss your train.
My train leaves in 20 minutes, so we have time.
Good. We don't need to run then.
I can see the main clock from here. It is glowing.
The station looks beautiful in this evening light.
It feels like a scene from an old movie.
A movie about a teacher and her mysterious heavy bag.
And a kind stranger who saved the day.
We are at the top. Let's take a short breath.
You didn't even lose your breath. I'm impressed.
It was a good warm-up for my weekend.
Let's continue towards the main hall.
So, what kind of books did you buy today?
I found some rare editions of English poetry.
Poetry? That sounds very delicate for such a heavy bag.
The books have very thick covers and high-quality paper.
I see. Quality always has a bit of weight to it.
I also bought a large dictionary for my classroom.
Your students are very lucky to have you.
I try to make my lessons interesting and colorful.
Do you teach children or adults?
I teach teenagers at the local high school.
Teenagers can be a difficult audience sometimes.
They are great. You just need to find the right book for them.
What is your favorite book to teach?
I love teaching The Great Gatsby. It has so much style.
I remember reading that one in school. It was very tragic.
Yes, but the language is absolutely beautiful.
Look at that street lamp. The light is a warm orange.
It matches the color of the sunset outside.
The station is getting more crowded now.
Please stay on my left side. It is quieter there.
I will act as a shield for you in the books.
You are a very professional helper, Felix.
I believe in helping people when I can.
The world needs more people like you.
And more teachers like you, I think.
We're approaching the taxi stand and the platforms.
Which platform do you need to find?
I need platform number 4 for the Northern Line.
That is just past the information desk.
We're almost there. Thank you for the conversation.
Here we are at the taxi stand. It is very busy.
I think I will take a taxi instead of the train.
That is a very smart idea with this bag.
It will take me directly to my front door.
Here is a good spot to wait.
Oh, wait, I want to give you something.
You don't need to give me anything, Emma.
I want to. I have 2 copies of this small photography book.
The Architecture of Nature? This looks amazing.
I saw you looking at the station building earlier.
I actually studied architecture for 2 years.
Then this book is perfect for you.
It is beautiful. Thank you so much.
It is a thank you for your kindness and your strength.
I will read it on my way to the countryside.
I am glad it found a good home with you.
Look, there's an empty taxi coming now.
Perfect timing.
I will help you put the bag in the trunk.
The driver is opening the back of the car.
One last lift.
It is finally inside the car. What a relief.
Your books are safe and ready to go home.
I feel so much lighter now, even without the bag.
That is the power of a successful mission.
I should get inside the taxi now.
Don't forget your purse on the bench.
Oh, thank you. I am a bit distracted today.
It was a very long day at the fair for you.
Yes, it was long but wonderful. Thank you again for everything, Felix.
It was my pleasure, Emma. I am glad I helped.
I hope you have a great trip to your parents.
I will, and I will enjoy my new book.
Maybe our paths will cross at another book fair.
I will look for the girl with the most interesting books.
And I will look for the strongest architect in the city.
That is a deal. Goodbye, Emma.
Goodbye, Felix. Have a safe journey.
This was a lucky Friday.
People are so much kinder than I thought.
The evening air feels very fresh now.
I can't wait to get home and start reading.
I should hurry to my platform now.